Train. Hear the zing from the ring of the bell. Hear the squeal of the iron wheel on the steel rail. Hear the lark of the crowds as they disembark for a day at the seaside. Hear the soft roar of the tide. Hear the collide of the last of the southern waves. Hear the sound of the shift of the sand as it fills in the shapes of your footprints. Listen to the whistle. Listen to the diesel engine's acceleration. Listen to the slowly fading sounds of departure after a day at the seaside. Listen to the lonely sound of the unloved gulls. Listen to the twilight tennis balls on slowed down rackets. Listen to the cry of the wee baern as he searches for his sleep. Home now, wherever home might be. Memories then, for whenever memories might then be needed.